Hola, ¿cómo estás? Have you ever wondered how the heck do you have fun on a rainy day? No. Why would that affect us? Who goes outside nowadays? Boy, I'm just gonna disregard that comment. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to have fun on a rainy day. Because it's Tutorial Tuesday! Nobody cares! Well, I do. Okay, I'm gonna describe that too. But let's start. You can play instruments. You can apply deodorant in all the wrong places. Oh yeah! You can slide down the stairs. You can play patty cake with Plonka. Ooh, that was a tongue twister. Patty cake, patty cake. Play patty cake with Plonka. Bakers man! You can run with Plonka. You can make a bed. You can poop. Okay, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Not while recording. That's a bad thing to do. Expose! You can do jumping jacks with coins. You can make another bed. You can fold socks. This is fun! That's not weird at all. You can read a book. Wait! Who does this anymore? You done wasted my time! Oh yeah, nobody does that anymore. It's 2017! Ah! Why am I screaming? I don't know! You can sit in the chair. La 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 la. You can sit in 2 chairs! La 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 la. Okay, that last one was pretty dumb. Yeah, totally. Sit in 2 chairs. Who does that? That's so idiotic. Am I done? I don't know. Am I done? I'll be done today. So much for watching this low quality trash. Subscribe for more of this low quality trash. This is supposed to come out Tuesday, but it came out Thursday, so it's Tutorial Thursday. Yeah. SMS Productions. I guess I can say your name. Your names are... Bedtime. Oh, yeah. The box. Dang, this video gonna be long.